Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farmboy's Garage. Today we're working on a 2008 Kia Sorento, and the issue we're having is the door handle's broke, and I think it's broke the little plastic clip on the inside that attaches to the rod. Now this door handle is color coded to the car, but we're not going to paint the new replacement. And this is my sister-in-law's car, and she said that wasn't necessary, so we're just going to try to get it swapped out. This is the LX model. So we'll get the door open, and I believe we're going to have to remove this door panel, and these are these little plastic screw rivets that I don't like because typically they don't turn well. So we got a few of them. We got a screw here, and we got one hidden behind this little thing here. We got to get out, and I think just two more here. That looks like it. So I believe this, I think this will pop off, I hope, without taking this little speaker out right here. But we'll see. I've never fooled with a Kia, so this is a learning experience for me. I did look on YouTube to see if there was a video of replacing these, and I didn't find one for this year, but this does have a little plastic piece right here, and I'm thinking we may have to remove that to get to a piece to fix this. So let's get started. I think the first thing we're going to do is get in here and pop this little cover loose, I hope. You have to get a thinner screwdriver. So you got to pop it from the top. Try not to break it. It feels like it's attached. There it goes. So, little clip here on the end. So be careful not to break that. And we got one in here. Now we got to get these out. Now hopefully these will unscrew and we can just pull them out. You don't have to take these all the way out. You just unscrew them and pull them if they'll unscrew. These are much better than the Dodge ones. So far anyway. And here's one that's going to be aggravating. So what we're going to try to do is put a little pressure on right here. So I'm just taking my screwdriver and getting between the head and the body of that. And just put a little bit of pressure on the head of that plastic screw here. Tough one there. It's a little different style than the mother's. I don't think I'm missing any more. I think it's just stuck. Got to get that little plastic piece out. I think we can just lay it down to the side here. Pull this back. What's going on in there? And I got to roll this window up where I can get to everything. Whew, it is hot out here today. Alright, so I see a nut attaching this side here. And I see a nut. You're going to have to go through this little area right here to get to the other one. So we've got to get this little plastic piece off. And I think we're going to have to go through here to undo the There's another bolt right here, and this little plastic, and I think that's just a covering. I hate to do that, but I didn't see no easy way of peeling that. We'll put a piece of tape back. You can see, maybe. So we can see that one bolt right there, and I can see another bolt right through there, and then we've got one bolt right here. So I'm not sure what size socket that is. It's probably possibly an 8 or something like that. Could be bigger. This rod right here is going to be in our way. I'm going to pull this up, try to pop that out and just let it drop a little bit. And it's bigger than an 8. Right, so it's 10 millimeter. I'll probably end up dropping that daggum nut down there too. Got the nut. This one's a little bit tricky to get to, but you can get to it. I don't know if we'll ever get the nut. Get it back on, it's gonna be fun. Got the nut. Please don't drop this nut. Bolt. And the bolt. So this is gonna come out and this is gonna slide over like that. And then we can get access to this lock rod right here and get it out. There's also a plug way down in there that we may have to unplug. We will have to unplug to remove this, because this will have to be swapped over. Right now, we got the wiring harness loose, but we've got to pull back on this little yellow piece, and this should come out. trying to want to get behind everything over here. Tell you what, that's going to be fun to go back with. So now we've got to swap this over, and I don't know how in the world. Okay, so it just pulls out. Hell, I could have done that without taking that out. So it's broke right here. So here's the other piece we're going to have to take off, and let's see what the replacement looks like. Alright, so I'm going to stick this back in here because we didn't need to pull that. Not all the way anyway. You just got to go behind a bunch of rods. Now, so remember, you ain't got to pull your lock. Now on the original, this little plastic piece right here broke off. I thought it was just missing this spring and all, but it's completely broke. So we're not going to be able to do much with it. Now, I'm going to see if I can get this lock rod back into this piece here. That. I should be able to get it. I think. Now we gotta get that piece back in there. Don't shut the door. See what's got us hung up right here. This is the aftermarket door handle, so it's always going to be a little bit aggravating. It's in the, started in the hole. Very, very tight. There it went. All right. All right, final shot. Yeah, it don't look great, but it can always be painted. This is just black primer. But see, it works fine. I put everything back the way it was. Put some tape over that hole right here, and all we gotta do now is just wipe down a little bit, and we should be ready to go. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out on your Kia. And if you're new to the channel, please rate, comment, and subscribe.